I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a cocktail shaker, a jigger for precise measurements, and a strainer. Fresh ingredients are key for vibrant flavors, so always opt for quality spirits, fresh juices, and good mixers. Understanding basic ratios like 2 parts spirit, 1 part sour, and 1 part sweet will help you create balanced drinks every time. Now let's master the shaker. This method is perfect for cocktails containing fruit juices, cream, or egg whites, as it thoroughly chills and aerates the mixture. Simply combine all your liquid ingredients and a generous amount of ice in the shaker. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 10 to 15 seconds, or until the shaker feels frosty. Then, strain your perfectly chilled drink into your prepared glass. For spirit-forward cocktails like an old-fashioned or a martini, stirring is the preferred technique. This method chills the drink without diluting it excessively or adding air, preserving its clarity and texture. Combine your ingredients and ice in a mixing glass. Stir gently with a bar spoon for 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is thoroughly chilled. Finally, strain the cocktail into a chilled glass, often without additional ice, for a smooth finish. The final touch for any great cocktail is the garnish and presentation. A well-chosen garnish not only adds visual appeal, but also enhances the drink's aroma and flavor. Think about citrus twists, fresh herbs like mint, or a simple fruit slice that complements the ingredients. Always serve your cocktail immediately in appropriate glassware, ensuring it's at its optimal temperature and ready for enjoyment. Cheers to your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.